Whether you have been in business for decades or just a day, one of the most important things to do is to reach out to your audience and to be where they are. You might be having the best product development team or efficient logistics or the quality stuff, but all of that won't matter if you don't or can't get your message across to the right people at the right time. Most business owners are familiar with TV commercials, billboards, magazines and newspaper ads, and other traditional advertising methods. But digital marketing is a completely different ballgame. It's not just about opening an account on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or uploading a video on YouTube. You may know some of these techniques in digital marketing, but running ads that generate significant and consistent revenue or showing your website on top of search engine results requires expertise. Hello everyone, my name is Samir and I'm the founder of Digital Doorway, a results-driven digital marketing agency that focuses on digital transformation and offering bespoke digital marketing solutions aimed at generating a healthy return on investment. No matter what size your business is, we can help you go from concept to campaigns in no time. To find out how we can help you grow your business, get in touch with me by emailing me on mail@digital-doorway.com. Thank you for watching this video and bye for now.